Highway boys on the road tonight, gotta kick out at the running. Finding love in the highway, all good things take time. I heard the pavement lost soul, singing songs true. That makes some boy cry, turning over sky confused. I woke up with a fever, sweating the ocean's in. There's mirrors in the hotel room, but I do not recognize him. Maybe it's that feeling that I get in my sleep. All my memories in my mind, only mine to keep. I wanna ride that kitten that can win, sleep next to the river rushing again. Got no good soul back where it belongs. Do my best to keep proofing songs. Do my best to keep proofing songs. And all of my old friends miss having me around, but highways work both ways, and I can't stand the lies in town. If you need me, you can find me, slightly out of control. Cause highway boys don't rest and don't hang their hats to their pole. Highway boys on the road tonight, gotta get out in the running. Finally found out the hard way that the sound I got is my man. So if you need me to call, if you're love for, just know that the highway boys don't stick around at all. I wanna ride that skating back and win, sleep next to the river rushing again. Take an over soul back where it belongs. Do my best to keep truth in songs. And do my best to keep truth in songs. Highway boys on a road tonight, gotta get out at the right end. They finally found out the hard way that the sound I got is my man. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Saw things again with you. Hopefully another interesting lesson for you Bryan fans out there. One of his newer songs which came out recently. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Bryan. Okay, so obviously there's a fiddle player on this song, quite prominent in places in the instrumental bits. So you'd have to imagine that. But the introduction I'm playing is I'm playing a four-fingered F most of the way through this song. You can play a bar chord if you want, or a simple F, but I'm playing a four-fingered type. Okay, simple F with the third finger up to the third fret on the fifth string, the A string, and then I'm pinky on the third fret of the fourth string, 5 down to 1. And it starts off with I'm just playing the fifth string of fretting the four-fingered F there, and hitting the fifth string as a starting note. And it's like, and what you do is you hit that note, and when you go into the F chord, you lift up the second finger and hammer into that second fret of the third string. So, and then to a straightforward C chord. Okay, so it's okay, so it, and you can, if you like, occasionally lift up that second on the fourth string on the C chord and hammer that one in as well. Okay, so it's right, and then it goes, so it does that 3 times. Okay, so it's to an A minor, single stroke on an A minor, and then it's a partial G chord, second fret of the 5th string, just that on its own, 5 downwards to the C. So A minor, partial G, C. So the whole intro slow motion, okay? Even slower. Play the verse, goes into verse 1, and basically it's the same thing with the F and the C, okay? It goes, now we're boys on the road again. This time you can do that, open that C as well with a hammer, so it's like, oh, sorry, because highway boys on the road now. Got that. Just on the end of the C before we go back to the F, okay? So it's highway boys on the road tonight, gotta kick out in the rhyming, find the hard way. And you do that A minor, that G, partial G, second on the 5th, downwards, or the other, 4, 3, 2, 1, open, and then, okay, so it's highway boys on the road tonight, gotta kick out in the rhyming, finally learn the hard way, all good things take time. When I do that G, I'm not tending to hit the top E string. If you want to do that, you can, but I tend just 5 down to 2. I don't. So it's very quick. It's like right, A minor, partial G, and then C. Okay. So from the beginning, right from the beginning. Okay, for the intro and first verse. So here we go. Highway boys on the road tonight, gotta kick out at the rhyming, finally the highway, all good things take time, friend. And that's it for the verse, okay, and all the verses play exactly the same way, okay, and there's lots of them. So then he does the second verse. I heard they play a lost soul, sing his song true, make a southern boy cry, these men confused. Exactly the same to play as the first verse, okay? And then it does another verse, okay? So it's another verse where it goes, I woke with a fever, exactly the same. Walk with a fever, sweating oceans again. There's mirrors in the hotel room, but I do not recognize them. Okay, and then another verse. Maybe it's the feeling that I get in my sleep. The memories in my mind, only one to keep. Okay, so all the verses, and there's lots of them, play exactly the same way. Then comes the chorus, okay? And that is basically, I want to ride at the kitten, then 4 chords round and round and round, really. It goes F, I want to ride that C, K10, G, way back when, to way back when, okay? So I want to ride that kitten to way back when. It's quite quick, but it's A minor, sorry, F, C, G, A minor. I want to ride the kitten back and when, and you do that 4 times basically. So I want to ride the kitten way back when, sleep next to the river where the rushes been. There's no good soul back to where it belongs, and to my best keep resting songs. And then the 5th one is the same. Do my F, C, G, this time goes to C, not A minor. So the last one, the 5th one, is F, C, G, C. So the whole chorus, and all the choruses play the same, okay? I want to ride the kitten way back when, Sleep next to the river, hear it rushing again. Guide my own good soul to where it belongs, and do my best to keep truth in songs. Do my best to keep truth in songs. So we end up on the C rather than the A minor on that, okay? Then you do another instrumental, that's exactly the same as the intro. More verses. And all of my old friends miss having me around, but my ways work both ways, and I can't stand the lies in town. Another verse. If you need me, you can find me, slightly out of control, 'cause highway boys don't rest and don't hang their hats to their home. Another verse. Highway boys on the road tonight, gotta kick out at the rhyming. They find it out the hard way, this sound I got is mine. Then he goes quiet and just strums occasionally, okay, single strums, like there's another, it's another verse basically, like, but it's just single strums, like, so if you need to call me, F to C, F to C, if you're in love, C4, F again, you know that C, the hard way, A minor, G, stick around at all. It's exactly the same as a verse, but it's just single strums, okay? So it's like, so if you need me to call, if you're in love for, just know that the highway boys don't stick around at all. Then we're back into the chorus again, okay? I wanna ride with a kitten way back when. Sleep next to the river, hear it rushing again. Give my no good soul back to where it belongs, and do my best to keep truth in songs. I do my best to keep truth in songs. Okay, exactly the same as the first chorus, okay? Then we do the instrumental again. It's exactly the same as the intro, yeah? And then the final outro, you can play it strumming or you can do it single strums if you like. Highway boys on the road tonight, gotta kick out at the rhyming. If anything at the highway, that this sound I got is mine, man. Mine, man. Okay, got it. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope that makes sense to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.